कैसे हैं आप लोग?
बहुत बुरे हैं हम लोग।
वाह क्या सीन है, वाह क्या सीन है।
Hello everyone. Today in this video I am going to share something with you about Janakpur Dham.
एहे रहा नहीं जाता, तड़प ही ऐसी है ना।
Let's start from Piradi Chowk. Piradi Chowk is considered as one of the major places of Janakpur Dham. As we know, this is the place where Goddess Sita was born from inside the earth. Now let's move toward Ramanand Chowk of Janakpur Dham. Ramanand Chowk is one of the major and famous places of Janakpur Dham. The Ramanand Gate of Ramanand Chowk is considered as the biggest gate of Asia. This place helps to increase the beauty of Janakpur Dham. As you can see, the gate of Ramanand Chowk is unique in its shape. Now let's move to our Ram Janaki Temple of Janakpur Dham. Dedicated to Goddess Sita, Janaki Temple is the biggest temple located in the heart of Mithila. The attraction of this temple is considered as regularly important monument and heritage site, but still an active temple for devotees. The magnificent temple was built by the Queen of Tikamgarh, Queen Brish Banu Kumari in 1911 AD, and is also called Naulakha Mandir because it cost 9 lakh rupees at that ancient time to construct. The shrine is also often associated with a well-known poet and saint Sannyasi Kishore Das, who is also the founder of Janakpur Dham. It is also believed that Sur Kishore Das found a golden statue of Goddess Sita at the site in 1657 AD, which led to the fact that Sita lived here most of her life until she was married. While talking about the design of the temple, it is constructed in Hindu Mughal style, which is an exemplar of Hindu Koiri Nepali architecture, having a stunning white feast. The three-storied temple is built entirely of stones and marbles, while the 60 rooms inside are adorned with Nepali flag, engravings, paintings, beautiful lattice, and windows and turrets. The Janaki temple is predominantly thronged by the devotees during auspicious occasions and festivals like Ram Navami, Vivah Panchami, Dasai, Deepavali and Holi. Pilgrims comes in from all around Nepal, Sri Lanka and India to worship the goddess, who is deemed an embodiment of courage, purity and selflessness, dedication, loyalty and feminine virtues. Let's move towards the museum located inside the temple. The statues presented in this museum used to be in motion with the means of electricity.
समझ रहे हो? समझ रहे हो आप? समझ रहे हो?
Now let's move toward Ram Janaki Vivah Mandap. Ram Janaki Vivah Mandap is a hidden gem in Janakpur Dham. It is one of the best tourist destination in Nepal. It is a beautiful place where marriage ceremony of God Ram and Goddess Sita took place. Now let's have a look of Ganga Sagar Pond. Ganga Sagar Pond is a religious pond. According to Hindu religion, it is considered that God Ram had taken bath in this pond. It is also considered that the person who take bath in this pond get placed inside the heaven after their death. Now we can see the Arati, Sandhya Arati, which is done every evening in Janakpur. Now let's have a look of Bhutnath Temple of Janakpur Dham. Bhutnath Temple is one of the greatest and famous temple in Janakpur Dham. It is located at the place called Swargadwar. The design of this temple is unique in its feature. The statue of God Shiva is also unique than others. Now let's move towards Dhanusa Dham Temple of Janakpur Dham. Dhanusa Dham Temple is located at 25 km far from Ram Janaki Temple. It is considered that half piece of bow which was broken by God Ram is preserved in Dhanusa Dham Temple. Mithila Art Gallery. It is also called Mithila Chitrapala in Nepali. It is one of the famous art galleries in Mithilachal.
शीश मणि मोरिया कुंडल सोहे कनमा कारे कारे कजरा रे जुलमे नयनमा लाल चंदन सोहन के भाल सखिया लाल चंदन सोहन के भाल सखिया चारों दुल्हा में बड़का कमाल सखिया
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय।